So how can you remove a grain from photos on the iPhone? And let's get started. Now, if you're new to the Foxtecc channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you're not going to miss anything important. So if you capture a photo which is kind of grainy looking, you can open up the Photos app as usual and locate your picture where upon clicking on it, there is the edit button below. So tap on the edit. A lot of options are going to appear, like you can use the automatic adjustments to see if that makes any difference that you would like. But to specifically remove grain, just scroll through the available options and get all the way to almost toward the end where you can see noise reduction. And you have a slider like this, which is going to basically smooth out some grainy parts of the photo. It's not like making the photo look unrealistic, but it can add a nice little effect, especially when you have a lot of grainy stuff or parts of the image. Keep in mind that this is just part of the post-production, and if you want to avoid it the next time you are capturing a photo, just ensure that there is enough light in the scene. Like the noise usually basically just appears when there isn't enough light when you're taking a photo in the dark, or when the night mode of your camera simply can't catch up with the lack of light. So just do that before you capture images, like enable the flash or move to another area which is better lit to avoid this type of problem. But that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about this solution below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.